Welcome to MobiDM TV. Today we have in the show Nick McQuire of IDC. Nick, very welcome.
Thank you.
Let's go to the industry landscape.
Sure.
We have integrators, we have operators, we have content owners. You can see that different parties are now almost forced to work together.
Yeah, you know, it's early days. There is, at the moment, a relatively healthy amount of co-opetition going on in the marketplace. The model is moving in a far more holistic way than we've seen it move, you know, say 12 to 18 months ago. And organizations need support in a holistic way across the device landscape, across the network environment, across the application environment as well. The market is so disruptive that it's very difficult to for an organization to get that end-to-end approach from a single supplier. So therefore, the ecosystems are absolutely incredibly important for organizations today. Those guys that are on the same page that can bring to a customer a vision and a roadmap for this stuff.
You think that this whole development of ecosystems, is that an intermediate stage or?
Longer term, how it plays out, I think is a little bit too early to tell, but there was obviously underlying the service layer, if you like, is a vendor and technology layer that is still very much in disruption mode today. And so I think organizations ultimately will need to somewhat remain agnostic of that disruption and therefore will need to look to the ecosystem to provide them with that insulation.
What are you most excited about that is going to happen?
I will be really excited to see organizations really stand up and say, we've embraced this trend that is this mega trend that is consumerization of IT, and we've done it in this way, and we believe this is how we're going to evolve. The organization ends up going through an exercise of thinking through, okay, what is my mobility strategy? But ultimately, what is my business strategy? And what am I looking to enable through this technology? We've not had that level of discussion around mobile in the enterprise yet. Okay, and now organizations are pulling themselves right up above, you know, at that business strategy level, and connect and seeing that link between effectively what is going down in the organization, largely through the back door at the moment, and how that actually, when flipped on its head, can really drive an organization forward over the next 3 to 5 years. So,
Nick McQuire, thank you very much.
Thank you.